Welcome to STEM Epicycloid. This channel is dedicated to science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM education. My goal is to share my expertise through free videos and tutorials and help to bridge the gap between low income and quality education. I am proud to have been born in the Dominican Republic and to call the United States my second home. Nevertheless, I consider myself a global citizen. I welcome everyone who wishes to use this knowledge ethically to make a positive impact. I am especially passionate about connecting with minorities, particularly the Hispanic community, who traditionally do not pursue STEM careers in the United States. Therefore, I will publish my content in English and Spanish to reach these audiences. I hope my content provides new opportunities and become a valuable source of free education for all. See you in my next video.